Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jiah and today I am going to tell you and explain you some very famous and very nice shloks of Sanskrit. I will read them out to you in Sanskrit and then also I'll explain you them in English. So yeah, let's get started. Chandanam Shitalam Loke Chandanadapi Chandramaha Chandra Chandanyo Marthe Shitala Sadhu Sangati. Now I'll explain the word to word meaning. Chandanam means sandalwood. Shitalam means cool. Loke means people. Chandanadapi means more than chandan, more than sandalwood. And Chandramaha means moon. Chandan Yomarthe means sandalwood and moon. Shitala is again cool and Sadhu Sangatihi is the company of good people. पूरे विश्व में चंदन को शीतल माना जाता है, लेकिन चंद्रमा को चंदन से भी शीतल माना जाता है. लेकिन जो बुद्धिमान लोग होते हैं वो अच्छे लोगों के साथ रहने को अधिक शीतल मानते हैं, अधिक अच्छा मानते हैं. English translation: Sandalwood is well known in public for its coolness, but the moon is considered to be cooler. But wise people consider the company of good people more cooler and pleasant against moon or sandalwood.